So the given question, so in the given question we are to find out the mean and median value. First of all, we will find out the mean value. So here for mean value age is given. So age will be denoted by x because only some numbers are given, and only when numbers are given then this distribution value can be denoted by x. Then number of students are frequency value, and frequency value is denoted by f. Therefore number of students, this column will be denoted by f. Now to find out the mean value, we will find out the column fx. So here we will find out the column fx. So for the first column, 20 into 1, 20, the first value 20. Then 19 into 2, 38. 18 into 4, the value is 72. 17 into 8, 136. 16 into 11, 176. 15 into 10, 150. 14 into 7, 98. 13 into 4, 52. 12 into 2, 24. Then 11 into 1, 11. So now we have find out the values of number of student and the column fx. Now we will find out the number of students, all the summation value and summation of fx. So number of students, this is denoted by n, total frequency is denoted by n. Then the summation value 1 plus 2, all the summation value equal to 50. Then summation of fx, this value equal to 77. Therefore all these value we have find out. Now we will use the formula summation of fx divided by n. This is mean value. We have already find the value, and total frequency equal to 50, summation of fx equal to 777. Now we use the formula mean equal to, then we use the formula mean, mean equal to summation of fx divided by n. Summation of fx divided by n, and these values are to substitute here. Summation of fx value equal to 777, n value equal to 50, n value equal to 50. So the answer equal to 15.54. Now in your question, age is given in years. That means the unit for the question is year. Therefore in your answer you have to write down that the mean value equal to 15.54 years. So this is the mean value. Next we will find out the median value. To find out the median value, we are to find out the cumulative frequency column. So the first value cumulative frequency will be 1. Next value will be 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Then 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 7 plus 8 equal to 15. 15 plus 11 equal to 26. 26 plus 10 equal to 36. 36 plus 7 equal to 43. 43 plus 4 equal to 47. 47 plus 2 equal to 49. Then 49 plus 1 equal to 50. So the last value of the cumulative frequency table equal to 50 and the total frequency is also 50. You have to always remember the thing that last value of the cumulative frequency table and the total frequency value should be always same. Now we have find out the total frequency value and the cumulative frequency table. After that we will use the formula n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 term. Since n is a even value, therefore here we are to find out all the value for the n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, and arithmetic mean of these two value will be called median. We have already found that n equal to 50, so n by 2 value will be 50 divided by 2 equal to 25. Next we are to find out n by 2 plus 1 term. So for n by 2 plus 1 term, 50 divided by 2 plus 1. Next 50 divided by 2 equal to 25 plus 1, and 25 plus 1 equal to 26. 25 lies between 15 and 26 in the cumulative frequency table. 26 is greater than 25. Therefore, we consider 26 in the cumulative frequency table. Corresponding distribution value of 26 equal to 16. Therefore, for n by 2, we will take the value 16. Next value n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1 equal to again 26. Again 26 is present in the cumulative frequency table. Therefore, we have to take or we have to consider 26 here. Corresponding distribution value of 26 equal to 16. So we have got n by 2 value equal to 16. N by 2 plus 1 is also 16. So here arithmetic mean of 16 equal to 16. Therefore, the median value will be 16 here. In the question, given unit is year, therefore answer will be 16 years.